radiator. Look at that, normal radiator. Have you ever seen anything like this though? Look, snapped. Completely snapped off. So I'm going to show you how to repair the broken temperature gauge on a radiator. Let's have a look how you repair this. I've never seen anything like it. Snapped right off, look. Let's fix it. So how do you repair this cracked, broken radiator? You need two tools to get the job done. Two tools. A telephone and a phone number of a plumber. That's all you need to fix the broken radiator. Let's have a look. I'll show you how it's repaired. And there you have it. The fixed radiator. Did the old one. Broke. Man come round and he attached that. Simple. How to repair a radiator. Phone someone up to do it.